Hello guys, good morning. Today we are going to see the two topic. First, how to import all tables in Sqoop, and second, how to import all tables with excluding some table in Sqoop. So let's see these things one by one, and welcome to my channel. First, see the question: how can we import all table of a RDBMS database? How can we import all tables of a RDBMS database? The answer is by using import -all -tables command. Sqoop provides a commands imports -all -tables. So import -all -tables option load all tables into HDFS at one time. This is the example. In this example we can see that Sqoop space import -all -tables space, this is the connection string, double hyphen connect space jdbc :mysql // localhost /movies space double hyphen username space root space double hyphen password space mypassword space double hyphen fields hyphen terminated hyphen by space /t space double hyphen warehouse user hyphen dir space /user /yt /sqoop allMoviesTables. So when we execute this statement, then it will import all the tables into this directory, and if here are 100 tables, then MapReduce run 100 times for processing of this all table. If there are n number of tables, then MapReduce run n number of times for processing all those tables. So let's see, this is the output. Suppose that database movie has 5 tables. Suppose that we are going to import all tables of movie database, and this table have 5 tables. So when we run the above statement, then Sqoop import all these 5 tables in allMoviesTables directory. As we can see here, when we execute this statement, it means this statement, then we can see this output. Means in allMoviesTable directory we can see all these tables. We can see cities tables, we can see countries table, we can see movie rating and users tables, and we know that this is the warehouse directory, and in this warehouse directory we can import all these tables. So by using import -all -tables command, we can import all the tables of a database. So now let's see the next point. Next point, import all table with excluding some tables. How can we import all tables, but out of all tables, if we want to exclude some tables, then how it can be? So let's see these things. Here we are going to import the tables of movie database, and we are going to exclude these 2 tables. So when we execute this statement, Sqoop space import -all -tables space double hyphen connect space jdbc :mysql // localhost /movies space double hyphen username space root. You can pass here your username space double hyphen password space mypassword. You can pass your password here, double hyphen exclude hyphen tables. This is the keyword. By this keyword we can exclude the tables which we want to exclude. So like this way we can write double hyphen exclude hyphen tables space cities table space countries table. So when we write these 2 tables, then when this statement will execute, then Sqoop will import all the tables of movie database, but it exclude only these 2 tables. we can see the output. In this output we can see database movie has the 5 tables. So when we run the above statement, then out of 5 tables, Sqoop skip the mentioned 2 tables. It means when we run above statement, then Sqoop skip these 2 tables, cities and countries table. It will skip and it will import rest of all tables. So out of 5 tables, it will scoop 2 tables. That's why it import only 3 tables. As we can see here, output that slash user slash yt slash scoop slash some movies tables slash movie, and in this directory we can see the rating, and in this directory we can see the users tables. It means out of 5 tables we only import the 3 tables. As we have seen that here we import all the tables, all 5 tables, but here we only import the 3 tables. We exclude 2 tables. Like this way you can exclude any number of tables. Then it is a good way that if we do not want to import all tables, then we can exclude some tables as well. This is the note. When we are importing all tables, then $-target-dir is not a valid option. As we know that when we import a tables, then we can use either $-target directory, or we can use $-warehouse-dir for storing the output record onto HDFS. So in case of import all tables, we should use $-warehouse directory. The same things is mentioned here, that we should use $-warehouse-dir for storing all the tables on HDFS. Means use $-warehouse-dir instead of $-target-dir. Keep in mind that in case of import all tables, we should use $-warehouse directory. We should not use $-target-dir. So today we have seen that how we can import all tables and how we can exclude some tables. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.